Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, May 3rd. Stocks on Wall Street are moving modestly lower in early trading as investors digest another wave of corporate earnings. We're seeing lots of movement in the other markets as the U.S. dollar trades broadly higher against other major currencies for the second day in a row. That's weighing on commodities prices. Crude oil is dropping more than $1, but is still above $112 a barrel, and gold is losing about 1%. But we're seeing the biggest declines in silver prices. They're tumbling 5%, now trading below $44 an ounce. The drop was prompted by the third increase in margin requirements in just over a week. Meanwhile, Treasury prices are rising, pushing 10-year yields down to their lowest level in nearly 2 months.
It's another big day for corporate earnings, with the world's biggest drug maker topping the list. Pfizer reported a 10% increase in first quarter profit and raised its full-year outlook above analyst estimates. But revenue dipped a bit, and Pfizer is dropping about 1% in early trading. A couple other big names are also losing ground. Clorox is falling more than 3% after posting a decline in its quarterly net income. Adjusted earnings also missed expectations, and the company's forecast for next year came in well short of Wall Street estimates. Meanwhile, Archer Daniels Midland is losing 3.5%, despite a 37% increase in its fiscal third quarter profit. The agricultural giant topped expectations thanks to strong growth at its oilseeds and corn processing businesses. However, analysts may have been looking for even better results.
Moving to the upside in early trading is MasterCard, rising 2% right now. The credit card giant topped expectations with a 24% jump in profit and a 15% increase in revenue. MasterCard was helped by a boost in consumer spending during the quarter. Another big stock gainer this morning is Metro PCS. It's jumping more than 3% after first quarter profit more than doubled. The wireless services company also said it added more than 725,000 subscribers over the last 3 months. Turning to the tech sector, Cognizant Technology Solutions is falling nearly 6% despite beating estimates with its quarterly profit. And we're also watching shares of Apple today. The company introduced a new iMac desktop computer with quad-core processors that it says will boost processing speed by up to 70%. The new iMac will start at $1,199.
A couple other stories we're keeping an eye on today. One is the auto sector. Car makers are due to report their April domestic sales throughout the day, and experts are expecting solid results. Finally, interest rates may be back in focus today after comments from Kansas City Fed President Thomas Hoenig. He urged his colleagues to raise interest rates from historic lows in order to calm inflation fears. Hoenig is due to retire from the Fed in October and is not a voting member of the policy-making committee. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.